Now, if you want to multiply and divide using the polar form, how we do that one? If I give you, let's say, it's a Cartesian form, a plus bi, then another a plus bi, and you multiply using the FOIL method, first, outer, inner, last. But in the polar form, the multiplication and division is a lot easier, a lot quicker. Just to give you an idea, an example. Let's say I got a polar number r1, angle theta 1. So this is my first complex number. And I got another complex number which is, I'm going to call this one z1. And I got another complex number z2 which is r2, angle theta 2. And I want to multiply that one. If I want to multiply, and the question is find z1 dot z2. So to do that one, the dot mean multiply. To do that one, what you need to do is you need to just like, instead of z1, you just put r1, angle theta 1, this thing, and you're multiplying that one dot with r2, angle theta 2. The rule states that whenever they are multiplying, you multiply their argument, you multiply the r value. So the answer is going to be r1 dot r2 angle, and the theta should be added, the angle should be added. So theta 1 plus a theta 2. That's as simple. Example. Let's have a look at the example. Let's say you got a 5 angle 20 degree, and you got another complex number which is 10 angle 30 degree. So what you do is, if I want to multiply them together, you're going to do 5 dot 10, you multiply 5 times 10, and then you do 20 plus 30. So 5 dot 10, that dot is not a decimal, it's a multiply sign. So 50 angle 50. This is the answer for multiplication. Let's say I got two numbers, r1, angle theta 1, and I got another one, r2, angle theta 2, and we need to divide them. We need to divide these two polar forms. Let's say the top one is a z1 and the bottom one is a z2. If I want to find out z1 over z2, it's r1 angle theta 1 and it's a r2 angle theta 2. But the way we divide is, it's completely opposite to what we did earlier. You just divide the r1 over r2 angle, and then you do theta 1 minus theta 2. And that's the answer. That's the formula we need to know. Now let's say we got two complex numbers. Let's say it's 50 angle 100 degrees, and the other complex number is, let's say, is 5 angle 10 degrees, and I want to divide them. To divide them, you're going to do 50 angle 100 and 5 angle 10. But you know the formula. The formula says you divide the argument. So 50 divided by a 5 angle 100 minus 10 degree. And what that will give you? That will give you 10 angle 90 degree.